So you want to start a business. You have this dream on your heart and you just can't shake it. Girl, I get it. How do I know? Because that was my story too. I'm Francie Hinrichsen, 3-time business owner and author of Dream, Build, Grow, a female's step-by-step guide for how to start a business. In the beginning of starting my first business, I felt completely blindfolded. Like I just didn't know what step to take next. But along the way, a tribe of people poured into me. They shared business wisdom and encouragement, and they lit up the path forward when I couldn't see it for myself. And that is exactly what I want to do for you. Dream, Build, Grow, a female step-by-step guide teaches you what to do, but also why and how to do it, so that building your business becomes as familiar to you as ordering your favorite latte. Girl, you can do this. You just need to pull back the cover and dive in. It's available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and Walmart. And I've organized the content into 6 phases. The first is clarify, so that you can get clear on what business you're starting and why. The second is research. Follow the list of items to research rather than hoping you find what you need. The third phase is build. This is creation mode, so that you can build a firm foundation for your business moving forward. Fourth is launch. This is where you'll learn how to launch your business to a warm audience who trusts you and is ready to buy. The fifth phase is profit. Drive up your revenue, decrease your costs, and create the greatest profitability possible in your business. The sixth and final phase is scale, so that you can do more with less and impact the greatest number of people. Girl, you can do this. I cannot wait to show you how. Dream, Build, Grow, a female's step-by-step guide for how to start a business. See you inside.